Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video naman, ang isi-share namin sa inyo ay ang aming fishing adventure. Ayan, you wanna say hello?
Hello.
Ayan. We are out and about dahil where we going?
Tackle shop.
Tackle shop. Tackle shop. So, yung pupuntahan namin ay bilihan ng mga pang-fishing. Ayan. So, pupunta kami doon dahil kailangan namin ng panghuli, bait. Ayan. What are we looking? Worms and...
Sandworms
Sandworms and what's the other one?
and hooks.
And hooks. So, meron na kaming mga gear. Kailangan lang namin ng konting update sa hook. Ayan. Para sure ball ika nga. So, let's go and get those sandworms and a hook. Ang first stop natin ay tackle shop. So, tingnan natin kung meron dito silang sandworm tsaka yung hook na kailangan ni Glenn. So, tara! Are we lucky today?
Maybe the other side. Oh, are we? Are they all bloodworms?
No, we're not lucky today. Not today. No. So, wala silang sandworms. So, what's that thing?
White bait.
White bait.
White bait.
White bait. So, ayan. In Tagalog?
White bait.
Tara, let's go find something else. He can't decide which one. I'll leave it to the expert. He knows what he's doing. I don't. Is that the right one? Let me have a look. Oh yeah, that's the one. Home sweet home, meron na kaming kailangan para bukas. Kailangan lang i-prepare yung aming mga fishing gear. So, can you explain what you're doing, Beng?
I'm cleaning the rods, and then I've got to clean and oil the reels, and then I've got to make some new rigs, and then I've got to pack it all away.
Ah, nice. You know what you're doing. I leave it up to you because I don't know what to do. All I know is to film and vlog, that's it. And do the talking. All right. Is there anything else you would like to add up?
I think that's it for now.
That's it for now. And we're going tomorrow, are we?
We are.
All right. Yeah. Can you say like, see you tomorrow?
See you tomorrow morning at dawn.
I'll give them a wave. Oh. It looks complicated.
Pretty simple.
Pretty simple? I
Pretty
believe
simple.
you. I believe you. You're the expert, eh. Don't cut your finger, then. You look so serious. Hello! Good morning! And we are out and about sa aming fishing day. Today is January 18, 2026, of course. Time check, it's 5:20 ng umaga. Ayan, at medyo maliwanag na din. It's perfect timing para sa aming fishing day. So, where are we going again? Floriat?
Floriat Drain.
Floriat Drain. Yun yung aming favorite spot sa aming fishing. And we are not really that far. Kaya, kita-kits sa Floriat. You wanna say hello?
Hello.
See ya! Oh, maliwanag na. Kaya, let's go fishing! Okie dokie, nandito na kami. Ayan, so medyo maglalakad lang ng konti. Mauuna na siya kasi excited. Oh, you excited, Beng?
Yeah.
Oh, sige, keep walking. Ayan, so ito lang yung bit-bit ko, yung bait. Tsaka yung yung isang bangko lang ang dala namin. Kasi most of the time naman nakaano kami, nakatayo. para lang din may patungan kami nung ano namin, nung personal na gamit, para hindi nakalagay sa buhangin. Ayan, tara na, malapit na. Malapit na. Whew! Almost there, almost there. Ayan, ang dami ng tao. Ang favorite spot namin itong straight. Ayan. Lucky, yung aming favorite spot ay available. Yes! So ito yung ating bait for today. Worms, mahilig ako sa worms. Ayan. Lagay natin yan dyan. Takpan natin, baka kainin ng malalaking ibon, sayang. Tapos lalagyan na yung belt, ayan. Ito na yung worms, yung tatlo, lalagyan na natin. Naramdaman, sana meron, at sana, oh yes, oh ay meron. Oh, I lost it. Oh no, I lost it. I know. Yes. Yes. Yes, lucky, oh Ben, can we switch? Sana huwag hampasin ng alon. Huwag hampasin ng alon. Ngayon, nangyari. Blowfish! 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 Wala, blowfish tayo. Niloko tayo, niloko. Niloko tayo ng blowfish. Ayan, buti na lang hindi masyadong na-hook. Ay! Aray! Ay! Ay! Kunti na lang. Ay! 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 can you carry the fish? I don't have the towel eh. Salamat, Beng. You don't have the towel?
There's towels up there.
I got something. Yes. What do we got? Blowfish? Oh, not again. Bang, double blowfish na naman. Bang, blowfish. I think the blowfish love the squid. Meron tayong nahuli pero maliit. Maliit, hindi pwede. Ibabalik natin. Ay! Maliit yung fish, babalik natin. Oh. Anong isda ito? Hindi ko alam. Yan, anong isda ito? Plat. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako expert sa isda. Basta ang alam ko, may nahuli na naman ako. Oh, here's oh, silver brim. Oh, silver brim. Oh, silver brim daw, silver brim. Oh.
He's a bit undersized though.
Oh, undersized?
Yeah, these ones you have to throw back if they're not size.
Oh,
nice fish though.
Can I experience silver brim? Oh, nice silver brim. Oh, put it back.
You put it back.
Oh.
You release it.
Please release it. Let me go. Goodbye, silver brim. Get big. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, blowfish na naman. Oh, blowfish.
Oh, fish. Oh!
Oh!
And a herring.
Oh, kain herring. Kain na.
Coming quick.
Aray! 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 Ay! Eh? Ah! Oh God! Pagod ako dun ah! 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 Ay naku! Isda pa more! O ayan, meron tayong only herring. Ah! Pagod ako dun ah! Wow! Wow! Wow, Bang! Wow! That's the first time we caught flathead. Wow, Bang! Oh! Last one! Oh! Wow! Hito? I think that's the hito in Tagalog.
Hito? Hito?
Uwian na. Nagutom na. Dahil marami na rin mga blowfish. At time check, it's 8:17 na. Ayan, nag-game pack na kami, uwian na. Next time uli, meron naman kaming nahuli. Lulutuin ng aking darling ang aming ulam ngayong pananghalian. This is Dulce Franco. See you uli sa susunod na aking vlog. See ya!